Hey guys, it's Alana Faith and welcome back to my channel. Today for Vlogmas Day 10, we're going to be trying Dairy Queen's Peppermint Hot Cocoa Blizzard. We're just gonna go straight in and try it. And it's crunchy. Okay, wait, this is way crunchier than I expected. Okay, you guys, first, I noticed like the peppermint already has a crunch, a layer on the top that is really good. But then there's these chocolate chip. I don't know if you can see it that good, but that's like another surprise onto the peppermint taste. And these flavors go really well together.